Let me ask you this. Have you ever jumped into your car only to see crumbs in the seats, dust in the vents, and pet hair clinging to the carpets? It's frustrating, right? You spend so much money detailing your car, but within days, it's messy again. And the worst part, most regular vacuums either don't fit into tight car spaces or don't have enough suction power to pull out that stubborn dirt. You're left with a half-clean car that still doesn't feel fresh. Well, today I'm saving you the headache. I've researched and handpicked the top 5 car vacuum cleaners for efficient detailing, machines that are powerful, portable, and built to keep your car looking like it just rolled out of a detailing shop. Let's dive in. Product 1, Dyson Car+Boat Handheld Vacuum. First up, we have the Dyson Car+Boat Handheld Vacuum. And trust me, this one's a beast. Recently featured in Better Homes and Gardens, Tom's Guide, and Real Simple, it's been called the ultimate handheld for car detailing. With up to 115 air watts of suction power and 40 to 50 minutes of runtime, this thing doesn't play around. It's like having detailing shop suction in the palm of your hand. The specialized attachments are what really make it shine. Tight crevices between seats, under the pedals, or even in those tricky air vents. And maintenance? Super easy. Dyson designed it with a washable filter and a dustbin that empties in seconds. The strategist at New York Magazine even ranked it top for suction and runtime. But here's the catch. It's premium. If you're serious about car care and want professional results, this investment is worth every penny. Product 2, MBNGF 35000 PA Cordless Car Vacuum. Next on the list is the MBNGF 35000 PA Cordless Car Vacuum. And if you're someone who demands raw power, this one's for you. Expert guides like Fanttik Slim and Know Your Best rave about its insane 35,000 PA suction power. To put that into perspective, that's enough suction to pull sand out of deep car mats and even tackle stubborn pet hair in seconds. But here's where it gets interesting. It's not just a vacuum. The MBNGF also doubles as a blower. That means you can push dirt and dust out of tight corners before vacuuming, making your detailing work even more efficient. Compact, cordless, and powerful, this is the one you grab if you want maximum performance without compromise. Product 3, Fanttik Slim V8 Apex Cordless Car Vacuum. Now, let's talk about versatility. The Fanttik Slim V8 Apex is an absolute game changer in the portable vacuum space. It offers 19,000 PA suction, which is already impressive, but the real selling point is its 4-in-1 functionality. Not only does it vacuum, but it also blows, inflates, and pumps. Imagine cleaning your car, inflating your tires, and even topping up sports equipment, all with one device. Weighing just 1.1 pounds, it's so lightweight that you can carry it in your glove box. Expert reviewers at Mad Tasting and Know Your Best love it for its convenience and portability. For car owners who want an all-in-one solution, the Fanttik Slim V8 Apex checks all the boxes. Product 4, DRECELL 14,000 Pa Cordless Handheld Vacuum. Number 4 is for those of you who value lightweight and simple design. The DRECELL 14,000 PA Cordless Handheld Vacuum. Weighing just 1.2 pounds, it's one of the lightest car vacuums on the market. But don't let the size fool you. It still delivers a strong 14,000 PA suction. It's got fast USB-C charging, so you can recharge it in your car or at home without hassle. The ergonomic grip makes it easy to use for longer sessions, and it even has a built-in LED light, perfect for cleaning under seats or at night. Reviewers at sharkvacuum.blog and Know Your Best call it the most practical everyday car vacuum. If you're constantly on the go and want a lightweight cleaner that just works, the DRECELL is your best bet. Product 5, Shark Messmaster Portable Wet Dry Vacuum. And finally, we have a game changer for families, pet owners, and road trippers, the Shark Messmaster Portable Wet Dry Vacuum. This isn't just about dust and dirt. The Shark Messmaster can handle crumbs, pet hair, and even liquid spills. Ever spilled coffee in your car? Or had kids drop juice boxes in the back seat? This vacuum has you covered. It comes with multiple tools. And get this, its parts are dishwasher safe. That means no more scrubbing dirty filters or containers. One unique feature, you can adapt any plastic bag as a liner, making cleanup effortless. Praised on people.com as a powerful yet compact cleaner, the Shark Messmaster is perfect if you want one machine that can truly do it all. So which one should you choose? Let's break it down. If you want the absolute best performance and are okay paying for premium, go with the Dyson Car+Boat. If power is your number one priority, MBNGF 35000 PA delivers unmatched suction. If you love multi-functionality, Fanttik Slim V8 Apex is a 4-in-1 marvel. If you want something light and portable, DRECELL is unbeatable for everyday use. And if you deal with spills or have kids and pets, Shark Messmaster is your wet-dry lifesaver. No matter which one you pick, these car vacuums are designed to make detailing easier, faster, and more efficient. Now, I want to hear from you. Which car vacuum do you think gives the best value for money? Drop your answer in the comments below and let's see which one wins the community vote. If this video helped you find the perfect car vacuum, smash that like button and don't forget to subscribe for more automotive hacks, reviews, and product deep dives.